So I thought it would be fun to sketch something and then to give the sketch away to one of you watching this video. I'm going to jump straight in and start sketching, and I'll explain how you can be in with a chance of winning it. I'm just asking you to do two things. Firstly, leave a comment below, and secondly, well, I'll get to that in a moment, but don't worry, it's super quick and easy. And stay to the end for a peculiar little tip that might just help with your sketching confidence. Now, if you're anything like me, opening up a new page in a sketchbook is daunting. It throws up a load of insecurities. What if my sketch is rubbish? What if it looks nothing like how I want it to? Why can't my sketches be more like the work I see on Instagram? What's the point in trying to sketch something for my portfolio when my work is so average? And why can't I be more confident? Well, I used to have all of these self-doubts and many more, but things have changed for me and I'm much more confident in my own sketching. It's been a long journey to get to this point, analysing the things that were holding me back, and now I'm using my own experience and breakthrough moments to fast-track my students and to help them sketch with confidence in a fraction of the time it's taken me to achieve it. One of the things that's really helped has been analysing the barriers my students have met, and that's where you come in. In addition to commenting on this video, for a chance to have this sketch drop through your letterbox, I just need you to click on the link in the description below, and it'll ask you to answer 2 questions. It'll take you under a minute, but it'll help me to focus in on making targeted content that's of most value to you. In the meantime, here's the peculiar little tip I promised as a thank you for making it this far through the video. I've found that getting my students to work backwards from the final page in a sketchbook can really take the pressure away. When they start at the front of a new sketchbook, they can feel like their work's on show and that they have to produce their very best sketching every time they put pen to paper. Working from the back can be less daunting, more relaxing, and less pressured. For more useful tips and advice, subscribe and watch this next.